Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Guys, I'm so excited to share with you what is coming up next in 2021. I don't know about you guys, but do you need a reset? Do you want a reset of your home, your finances, your budget, your health, maybe your mindset, everything? So guys, I am actually going to be doing an 8-week challenge reset for you guys, motivating you, encouraging you, inspiring you, giving some amazing resources, some freebies, and some great videos to get you reset for the next year, for 2021. Let's forget 2020 and go into 2021 fresh and energized and just feeling organized and reset. So guys, what is this? What is this 8-week challenge? Okay, so let me go into details a little bit more about this. So for 8 weeks, every Friday, I'm going to be sending out an email, a newsletter email. So if you have not subscribed to my newsletter, be sure to go over to my website. I'll put the link down below. It's www.lisahice.com, and it's HICE.com. Link will be below. But I'm going to be sending you guys an email with some workbooks, some resources, some freebies. I've actually created my own little personal binder, the home organization binder, and also my own personal financial binder to help me stay a little bit more on track. And these, I'm going to be sending out some resources available to you guys. So the first 2 weeks, we are going to be focusing on home organization. So if you look around your house right now, it's a day after Christmas, and it probably is a hot mess. Christmas stuff everywhere, wrapping paper, bows, you name it, toys everywhere. You're probably like, I really could use a reset in the house coming up, right? So the first 2 weeks, we're going to focus on the reset of your home, of your kitchen, and getting organized. Definitely, like, it's always great to get your kitchen reset because going into the new year, we always have our great healthy habits. We want to reset the kitchen and the pantry, refrigerator, oven. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some great videos and helpful ideas to get you reset. I actually did a lot of that the kitchen this morning because it was just a mess, and because of my timing and availability, that's when I did it. So I have some amazing workbooks, like I said, of home organization that I'm going to have available to you guys. These will be sent out to you guys and also available through some other websites. So stay tuned for more information and release dates. But for right now, we're going to talk the first 2 weeks on home organization. The next two weeks, we are going to be talking about our goals and action plans for 2021. So the first week of that 2 weeks, we're going to talk about our goals. The following week, we're going to be talking about healthy habits, just resetting our mindset, resetting the home of just some healthy habits that we can put into practice for lifestyle wellness. Anything from doing, stretching and safe driving and doing your budget and things like that. So, and getting to bed on time and just some healthy habit ideas for you guys. So the next 2 weeks, I am going to be unpacking a lot on financial well-being. So I don't know if you guys have known, but I've actually started doing a lot of financial coaching. I'm starting to do that into the new year and a little bit of last year. And I'm so excited with the 13 years of financial background that I have. I want to help you guys. I want to help you guys, especially if you guys are in a space where you've had job loss, income loss, reduced hours, and just helping you get reset and making some plans for your financial well-being. So I have some, like I said, I have some financial binder workbooks that's going to be available, some ebooks, resources, great cash envelopes that I'm going to have available. So that will be the week 5 and 6. Then the last 2 weeks, we're going to talk about our mindsets. We're going to talk about getting rid of the negativity and putting on just the mindset of positive thinking and positive well-being, and how we think can impact a lot of the other areas in our life. And I'm also going to talk about some really great truths and scripture and some Bible verses to encourage you guys. So to sign up, guys, head over to my website, www.lisahice.com. I'll put the link down below. Hit the sign up button and sign up to the newsletter, because I want to be encouraging you, motivating you, inspiring you, and helping you out to begin 2021 just the best way you possibly can. So guys, it was so great to have you guys. I wanted to encourage you just with this intro video of what is to come in 2021. So guys, head over to, again, my website, www.lisahice.com. I have a little bit of information on the front page and a button for you guys to sign up, and that way you get all the emails, all the printables, resources sent to you guys. So guys, make it a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.